something that a lot of lash courses, lash certifications, they do not tell you this. Barber side. Okay, inside your tweezers, they need to be going in an airtight tube. First things first, I'm going to teach you how to read a lash tray. Okay? So the main 3 things that are on your lash tray that you need to know about, or my suggestion for new lash artists.
Hi everyone, this is Shawnee, the lash specialist. I just wanted to show you guys behind the scenes of a lash appointment. This particular client is getting mega volume lashes. She is a professional that works in corporate America, so she wanted the volume but without the length, which would make it super dramatic. A couple of things that I would want you guys to notice is that I don't have excessive tape on my client's face. I literally just have her bottom lashes taped down to make sure that lash extensions are not applied to her bottom lashes. And I just have tape on her lids to expose her lash layers so I can lash 100% of her natural lashes on her lash line. Also, I do want you guys to remember that before placing a lash extension to your client's natural lash, to make sure to isolate the natural lash. That way you won't have to worry about stickies. The definition of stickies is basically lashes stuck together. You do not want that. You want to make sure that you completely isolate the natural lash before adding the lash extension. Another thing I want you guys to notice is I have a glue ring on my finger. I do not have anything sitting on her forehead or anything like that. I've seen new lash artists literally have a cup of glue, like a little small thing of glue sitting on their foreheads, on their client's forehead. You don't want to do that. Also, another tip that I think that new lash artists need to know is when you're lashing your client, make sure that you're going from left to right. Add a lash extension on her left eye, then go to her right eye and add an extension and work back and forth. This way both eyes are even with lash extensions, so if your client ever has to get up and leave due to an emergency, she has lashes on both eyes. Another quick tip for new lash artists to know is even if you're working with a glue ring, make sure that you are disposing of your glue every 15 to 20 minutes, which means go ahead and throw out the glue ring and start with a fresh glue ring with fresh glue. If you choose not to change out your glue, your lash extensions may fall off and not last on your client, and you don't want that. If you want more tips like this, go ahead and like the video and click subscribe. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. I hope you like my content. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to get the Lash Tracker so you can lash better and faster in 30 days. There's also a 30-day challenge included. Don't forget to also read the Lash blog. I put a lot of lash tips in there for beginning lash artists, as well as join the email list, my little lash tribe. I send out email tips all the time. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications for future video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.